Shekhar Gupta, welcoming you to this beautiful, beautiful location, 30 kilometers outside of Bangalore, called Nrityagram. It is now the home of teaching of Odissi dance form, one of our most favorite dance forms. And my guest today, two of its most wonderful exponents and teachers. So, two of you introduce yourselves now. You don't want me to call you gurus, I know.
Yes, we are just teachers. Bijoyini Satpathy.
And I'm Shurupa Sen.
And how long has this partnership been on?
22 years now.
My
Believe it or
goodness.
not, yes. Shurupa has been here for 25 years. I joined her after she had finished 3 years here.
So were you brought here by a child lifters gang?
Almost. Pratima Bedi Gaurima, she
Right.
brought me here and for just a US tour, their first US tour. Once I saw this place, I come from Orissa.
Right.
And I was learning for 12 years, but I had never experienced a place like this. So this was like a dream come true for me. I came here and I never went back. There was much emotional drama at home because why would Oriya girl from Orissa learning from a very good institution go to
Right.
Pratima Bedi to learn in Bangalore? But
And that
I'm
too,
glad.
Pratima Bedi.
That
She
too,
made headlines from
exactly,
there. Yes.
exactly. In fact, yes. In fact, I was told a lot of things. Be careful.
Be
Hang on
careful.
to your passport, so that you can run away at the first sign of danger. Yeah, but I don't regret my decision at all.
And
It's
how
just
did you come
best.
in here, Swarupa?
I have a very different story. There's no
Because you were in
drama
Delhi,
at
you were in
all.
college in Delhi.
Yes, I
Miranda?
went to Miranda House. I was studying economics honors.
Right.
And I had been threatening my parents since the time I was in class 8. I'm going to run away and learn Odissi in Odisha. So unfortunately for me, no drama. My parents said, whenever you're ready, you can go.
No need to
So no need to run away. So I heard about Nrityagram when I was in the last year of college. And I have actually studied dance and learned to dance from the age of 4. So I knew that I had to do something with dance because that's when I was most happy. But for some reason, you get confused somewhere along the way and you think, oh, you might become an academician. Or, I don't know what I thought I was going to do. Confused.
Well, economics is loss is art's gain, I would say. But
Yes.
but see, how does an 8-year-old in Delhi get interested in Odissi?
I was not in Delhi. I grew up in the south.
South.
Yes, and so for us, Bharatanatyam, Carnatic music, dance, arts, very much part of our
But
lives.
even then, you should have been planning your Bharatnatyam, Karangetram and stuff.
I think the first time I ever saw Odissi, I fell in love. And then I came to Nrityagram and I met Gaurima and I fell in love again. And I saw the place and I mean, I've never gone back home. So
Let me not say, tell me how is Odissi different from Bharatnatyam or Kathak, because I don't know anything of anything, including Bhangra. Except I know that in Bhangra you don't follow any rules, right? Particularly if you get a bit drunk.
Okay.
Right? But this is for sane people. And explain to us a few key movements and principles of your dance.
Odissi is born out of the sculptures.
Right.
And therefore it carries within itself the infinite curve, the curve principle that
And the
sculptures
earliest
have made
sculpture
of.
you find on Odissi are almost two
More than
centuries,
2000,
two
yes.
centuries
Yes, 2000,
BC.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
However, it was lost in time many times till it was revived only 75 years ago.
Right.
And since then, a lot of structure has been given to it. Like you said, there are rules now. We have to go
Right.
by rules. Odissi is an interesting dance form, the only dance form which follows two basic stances. One is a square position, and it's considered or gives us the attitude to express our masculine feel. And then we have the three bhangi position, the three bend position taken from the sculptural position, which gives us a way to express our feminine side.
Shrupa,
So
will
it's-
you explain the Tribangi side to us?
yes, sure. Yeah.
Where are you from, Ganga?
I'm from the US,
From which city in the US?
Florida.
Go ahead. Sorry. Distract.
So Ganga is showing you the feminine stance of the form, and Tribhangi is
Three
position
bends?
with 3 bends.
Right.
And there's a bend at the neck, at the waist, and at the knee. In fact, the whole body is curved into an
right.
S, and every part of the body also is divided into 3. The torso is mobile from lateral movement of side to side, and the weight is usually carried on one leg only, and then the mobility shows and creates the curves. Yeah, that's the feminine
and
position.
you explain to us the masculine.
The masculine position is Rukmini demonstrates.
What's her name?
So Rukmini.
Where are you from, Rukmini?
From Vrindavan.
From?
Vrindavan.
Brinda. Wonderful.
Bring it up. So this arm position that you see is taken from Lord Jagannatha, presiding deity's arm
Right.
position. He's seated right there.
right.
And the feet maintain a square. So we call it chauka. In Oriya, chauka means chau is four.
Right, yeah.
Basically char. So 4 lines with arms and 4 lines with legs. The weight is very centered.
Perfectly symmetrical.
Perfectly symmetrical. The leg position is in Mukteshwar temple, which is a very popular temple. We find the lower half of the body. So perhaps the upper half has been taken from Lord Jagannath's position, and it's been combined together to make the basic stance of it.
So how does this work? I noticed that you're using only one instrument in your teaching.
Yes,
Not
rhythm,
used
everything.
tantra, harmonium.
Well, we use all those instruments
In
in our
concert.
performance. Yes,
Right.
in our performance. But for daily practice, it's nice to have mardala. Mardala is our percussion
Pakhavat,
instrument.
huh.
Well, mardala in Orissa.
Mardala, yes.
And because every syllable that we utter is what is created by the foot, and that's the sound of the mardala.
Huh.
So it's nice to hear the real sound to create the parallel sound with the feet, and also then translate into movement. Because in this session we are practicing the basic skill.
Can we
of
try and
Odissi.
do this?
Of course, sure. Pavitra, yeah. Can we do 3 chaukas?
Pavitra is a teacher too.
Pavitra is a teacher. She's been here for the last 22 years, dancing with us in our ensemble. Can we do chauk number 3?
I think she and you feature in the picture in the New York Times
Yes.
old blog article
Yes, yes.
in the magazine section.
Can we combine chauk number 3s? Chauka Kumbha
I think that
Chauka.
one article to Odissi Global
Yes.
Yes, really.
in many ways, yes. And then we'll talk. I believe you performed at the Met last year. I mean, you did perform, I believe, at an Egyptian temple setting.
Yes.
Put swastika first, and then Chauka Kumbha Chauka, then again swastika Chauka Chauka, then the. Kadatak, to the right side.
So would you say that Odissi has more complexities than other dance forms?
Not complexity of the story, but complexity in human body.
I would say certainly, I mean, barring forms like Kathakali, which is an extraordinarily complex dance drama tradition, and other than that, I mean, we have had enough time to study Mohiniyattam, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and Odissi, because we had those gurukuls here for a while, and we
Right.
worked very intensively with each other, just learning from each other. I find Odissi the most complex of them all because of the layers of opposition that we work with in the body. So if your torso is moving to the right and your leg is really strong down and your torso is moving to the right, your neck is moving to the left and eyes are moving, so your complex body is always
There is a
moving like that.
directional confusion created in the body, but in that there is that lyricism, that curved lyricism that has
So
to be
basically,
created.
in all the practice programs your mind
To get
Get
to
all-
make that your second
all the-
nature.
all the
that,
different movements right at the same
this
time.
infinite curve that must run through the body, and the lower half must speak to gravity, must be very comfortable staying down. So that's what makes it complex. It's easy to point and move in that direction,
Right.
right? But in Odissi, I have to go away
Right.
to point to that direction.
And then,
So-
then your body will again sway.
yes, and it's based on that Tribhangi position.
And I think you love that figure of S.
Yes,
Right.
you have to fall in love with it,
Right.
to imbibe it, to own it, and that has to become. That's why I always say that a Bharatanatyam dancer can go to the target and find it much faster. By the time we make our curves, and it's,
आपको बिल्कुल